Hey y'all, how are y'all? Hope everybody's good on this Thursday afternoon. Let's see, Thursday afternoon. It's almost the weekend. I know, man. When I was there, I was always looking forward to the weekend. But I'm just coming at you real quick. I'm gonna tell you about some my daily routine. What I'm gonna do for today, actually. I'm gonna be going down to Tangi, that is the ocean, part of town they call Tangi. But we're gonna go do some shopping down there, and I'm gonna take you along with me down there. But yeah, I just wanted to give you a little bit of energy of nature, man. I'm out here kicking it with my chickens. They be tripping me out, man. You know, and the banana trees are getting so big. But now the chickens are jumping up at the leaves. They like banana leaves. So the ones that are, the leaves that are low, the chickens are jumping up and eating them. I don't think it'll do much damage because the trees are so high now. So even if they eat all the leaves at the bottom, the tree is still tall and healthy. So, where they all at? They all, man, they must be camera shy. Can y'all see them back there? Let's see. I'm gonna turn this camera around. Check it out. Okay, there it is. This one over here, man, he ain't, he ain't trying to deal with it. He's just chilling. You know, got his little cool spot, and he's just chilling, man. He's like, forget y'all. It's a beautiful day. Yeah. But this is my little nature spot back here, man. I like to just come out here and chill. Watch the chickens, feed the chickens. Well, they be doing some scrapping sometimes. I think I see what's going on. That's a male. He's trying to get it on with one of the chicks. See, they is scrapping. They be scrapping, don't they? I see. Yeah, that one, they jump up on him because he be in everybody's business. He starting shit with everybody. Hmm. Look at him. He be messing with everybody. See? He's always starting shit. They're gonna jump on him, man. Look, he's ready to attack him right now. Yeah, they be tripping. But yeah, I know. I know most of you guys are probably at work, but just wanted to come on here and share a little bit of peaceful environment with y'all, because it's kind of different here. Everything is so fast there, and things are fast here too, in their own way. But it's all depends on your immediate environment, you know. So this is my immediate environment. I like serenity, man. Don't have to have excitement going on all the time. Sometimes I like to just chill out, be around the house. So it's just the beginning of this clip, this video here. Stay tuned for when we go down to the ocean. We're gonna go down there and buy some fresh fish, do a little shopping. I think I want to pick up some fresh lemon down there. And I like drinking. Man, they be tripping. It's that one chicken, man. He be starting shit. I'm watching him. I might have to lock his little booty up. Had to break him up. You the bad one. You're the bad one. You're the bad guy. You're the bad guy. Yes, you're the bad guy. You're the bad guy. Always picking, especially on that one. But yeah, we're gonna go down to Tangi, to the ocean, and buy some fresh fish. Pick up, particularly want some lemon. So get some lemon down there, and maybe pick up a few more items. All right, y'all. From the Bayside Jewel, we're out. Peace.